Hello there.
Oh, hello. Who are you?
Well, I'm Wilson, the J71 tank engine. Nice to meet you.
Henry.
Oh, yes, of course. Gotta go. Goodbye.
Yet another new engine. Later that day, the big engines held an indignation meeting. It feels like every week the Fat Controller finds a new engine to come and replace us. Indeed, my dear engine. I say we go on strike. Don't you remember last time we tried to do that? We got shut up in our shed for a week. I'd rather not do that again. And anyways, the Fat Controller would never replace us. Most of them are nice engines who just help us about. Why don't you understand? I think it's because you're too vain to think that you will be replaced. Oh, shove it up your smoke box, you galloping sausage. The three engines argued through the night. I don't think they should judge the new engine. Do you?